Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my Boxycharm unboxing for May. I just got this like 30 minutes ago in the mail. I don't know what's in it yet. So if you guys want to find out with me what's in my Boxycharm for May, then just keep on watching. So I always let you guys know a little bit about Boxycharm in case you're new to it. It's a $21 subscription box. It comes every single month. It has all full-size products, a lot of high-end brands, a lot of brands that are just like in Sephora. Sometimes you get MAC, Cover FX, a lot of just higher-end, more expensive brands, which is awesome. And I do have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. It will be linked in my description box. If you use that link, then you can sign up for Boxycharm, or you could just go to their website. So let's see what's in the box. So the first thing I see is the blurring primer from Cover FX. I've been loving, I'm actually wearing it today, the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I want to say I had a sample of their primer, like a little tiny sample that was like 2 uses a long time ago. I can't remember, but I've never tried this blurring primer from them. All right, so it looks like this is kind of like the Benefit Professional, where it's more of a moussey, thick consistency. So I think I will end up liking that, and it feels kind of creamy too, and not like really dry or sticky or anything. So I'm gonna start using that this month, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. I always say this, I do an Instagram tutorial with my Boxycharm. I'm gonna film it sometime this week, so definitely check that out on Instagram in the next couple days. And then next we have a product from Pretty Vulgar. So this is what it looks like. I think it might be like an eyeliner. Yes, a black gel liner in really cute packaging. I never use gel eyeliner. I'm not the best with it. Okay, that is huge. This is literally just like a big tube of black eyeliner. So that's that. They have very like unique packaging for their brand. So that is a really big black eyeliner that will last me until 2020. All right, so next, moving on, I have a couple brushes from Estetica. And I want to say that when I was starting out with makeup, I bought brushes from this brand. I want to say that you can find them at like TJ Maxx and definitely on Amazon. I always see them in my Amazon ads. I just see ads for like this brand and different brush sets on Amazon. So this is, it doesn't say what brush, it says P12. So I guess I could use this as like a brush, a blush brush, maybe like a small powder brush. It's a little bit dented, so I don't know. I'm not super excited about it because it's not like a really like luxury brand or anything. And then let's see, there's also a brush trio. I have a liner brush. I always use these. I always use it for my lower lash line. Then I have a gel eyeliner brush, so I will use that with my giant tube of eyeliner. And then we have like just a spoolie, and I kind of actually need one of these because I always end up using my like Brow Wiz or whatever brow pencil I'm using. I use the spoolie side if my eyelashes get too clumpy, and then I end up with mascara in it and then putting it in my eyebrows, and it just turns into a mess. So I need a spoolie just for combing out my lashes if they end up getting clumpy. So that's definitely a must. And then I have a lip product. This is a matte lip gloss from the brand Beauty Creations. I've definitely heard of this brand. I just don't know if I've tried out any of their product. All right, so let's see what color this is. Okay, it's a nude. I always brace myself for getting like a very, very like dark purple lip because I know that I won't ever wear it. I'll probably wear it like once in the fall, and then I get really happy when I end up with a more neutral lip color. And it says it's a matte lip gloss. I don't know if it's actually gonna dry matte, but that's the swatch. So it is really pigmented and opaque. So I definitely thought that was gonna be it in my box, and then I saw like underneath the box there's another product in here. So it looks like there's a palette in here, and it's completely like blank. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is a palette from Pure Cosmetics. We get Pure palettes all the time in Boxycharm. All right, so here is what the palette looks like. I was a little confused when I first opened it because like the contour shades are really dark. So I wonder if they have like a couple different shades in this palette, and this is like the deepest one, and they might have like a light and a medium. So let me know if you guys got different shades if you got this palette. But the highlighters, I think I can definitely wear these highlighters. They're not too dark for me. It's actually really, really pretty. I really like those two tones. I would definitely wear those. Definitely let me know if you ended up getting like a different shade in this palette or something completely different in your Boxycharm, like a different Pure palette or something, because I haven't heard about this one before. But that is everything in my box. Let me go ahead and add up the prices of everything so we can know how much the box is worth this month. All right, so the total value of the box this month is $174. I was actually really surprised with the price of the brushes. So let me tell you how much everything individually is. The 3-piece brush set is $45. I really don't think that is worth $45. I've seen those brushes on Amazon, I swear, for way cheaper. Maybe I'm confusing it with another brand, but they don't feel like $45 brushes. This brush is $27. So I think the brushes are definitely overpriced, but everything else is like reasonably priced. The Pure palette is $30. The primer is $38. The gel eyeliner is $24. And then the lip gloss is actually only $10. So everything else kind of makes sense for the price point. All right, so that is everything for my Boxycharm for this month. I do get a couple questions about Boxycharm in every video, and one is the weight of my box, and the weight for the box that I got is 0.85 of a pound. And then the number of my box, somebody told me this and I like never knew this, that it tells you on the card what box you ended up getting, and mine says number 2. So if you guys get like your emails about Boxycharm and you want to know like which box you got, how much it weighs and stuff, maybe that can help you out. But that is everything for my Boxycharm for this month. Let me know what you guys ended up getting in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.